How to use Google Calendar. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Calendar for scheduling events, setting reminders, and organizing tasks on a laptop or computer. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta head over to your Google search engine and then you gotta click on this Google Apps icon over here. And then you gotta click on Calendar. And you will be redirected to the official Google Calendar. And then you got to click on Got It over here. And this is basically your Google Calendar and it will look something like this. So you can select which mode you want. So I'm going to let it be light for now. So you're going to click on Got It, and over here at the left side, you can have a smaller view of calendar and you can click on Create if you wish to create an event. And you can also search for a specific event if you have already created by clicking on the search over here, and you can type in the name of any specific event and you'll be able to see that that specific event has been filtered. And after that, over here at the left side, you'll be able to see all of your calendars, your birthdays, and your tasks. And here, when you click on this gear icon, you'll be redirected to settings. So you can simply click on settings, and once you do so, you will be redirected to all of the settings. You can change your language and region, you can set time zone, you can change according to the world clock, you can change event settings, you can change your notification settings, view options, events from Gmails, keyboard shortcuts offline. And here you can also set calendars and see that what are your calendars, and you can also set your calendar name, description, time zone, and change the owner. And over here is the calendar. Now here at the right side, you'll be able to see some specific add-ons such as Google Keep, Tasks, and Contacts, Google Maps. You can click on this plus icon over here and you can add various add-ons by just searching them over here. There are some featured partners that are not really the applications of Google, but they have partnership with Google, and you can use Canva over here. You can use Lucidchart, Lucidspark, Common Workplace, and other stuff. And over here you can also select some other add-ons, so you can just view more and select anyone that you want. And for example, if you wish to create an event, you can simply click on a date. For example, I'm going to click on a specific date over here. I'm going to click on, let's say 13 over here, and here, or let's just select the Saturday. So what you're going to do is click on this over here, and then you're going to set a title. For example, I'm going to write down such as assignment due or anything like that. Okay, so now you can set that whether is it an event or a task. Now it's a task, so I'm going to let it be task. But if you're setting an event, you can just set the time and date over here. You can set the guests, you can set at Google Meet video conferencing. If you have set an event of a conference, you can set location, you can add description, or you can also attach a Google Drive. And if it is a task, you can simply set the time and date and set description, and just select where you want this task to be filtered. And you can also select appointment schedule, which is totally new. For example, if you have any appointment with any client or appointment with any doctor, so you can simply just set that over here, and then you can click on set up schedule. So I'll let it be task, so just click on save. So over here you'll be able to see that instead of calendar view, you also have tasks view. So you can simply click on tasks, and like you can see that I just added a task. You'll be able to see all of your pending tasks over here. So let us just switch back to calendar, and over here at the left side, you'll be able to see other calendars. So you can simply click on plus over here. So you can subscribe to a calendar, such as subscribe to any friend's calendar. You can just simply type down their email and you'll be able to view their calendar. Or you can create a new calendar, you can browse calendars of interest, and you can also get it from URL, and you can also import. So that was basically a mere explanation that how you can use Google Calendar. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.